Unveiling the Enigma of Blueberry Cultivation, a Scientific Expedition. Embarking on the mesmerizing journey of cultivating a thriving blueberry patch is akin to venturing into the realm of agronomic wonders. This video serves as a scientific expedition, delving into the intricacies of successful blueberry cultivation, from selecting the most suitable varieties to optimizing growth conditions. By embracing the principles of sustainable agriculture and understanding the unique needs of these exquisite berries, we can embark on a rewarding quest towards cultivating a flourishing blueberry bonanza.
The art of variety selection.
At the heart of every successful blueberry patch lies the judicious selection of suitable varieties. Blueberries exhibit an astounding diversity of species and cultivars, each presenting distinctive traits and growth requirements. We recommend commencing with the highbush blueberries, Vaccinium cori M. bosum, celebrated for their adaptability and abundant yield. Within the highbush realm, Blue Crop tantalizes with its exquisite flavor. Duke astounds with early fruiting, and Jersey stands fortified with natural disease resistance. Akin to harmonizing a symphony, harmonizing the chosen varieties with the local climate and soil characteristics guarantees a harmonious and fruitful ensemble.
Nurturing the right environment.
The success of a blueberry patch hinges on the artful selection of its abode. A sun-kissed sanctuary, graced by gentle breezes, sets the stage for optimum growth and vitality. Thorough soil analysis precedes the grand canvas of planting, revealing the intricate balance of nutrients and pH. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil, sporting a pH range between 4.5 to 5.5, thus necessitating thoughtful amendments with organic matter to enhance soil structure and nutrient retention. With meticulous preparation, the foundation for nurturing a verdant blueberry haven takes root. The ballet of planting techniques. A well-orchestrated performance of planting techniques orchestrates the graceful ballet of blueberry growth. Timing is of the essence. The spring season casts its nurturing embrace, providing ample time for the roots to establish before the summer's grand entrance. Spacing the saplings strategically, 4–6 feet apart, orchestrates a symphony of growth, ensuring both bountiful sunlight and generous airflow. Planting at the proper depth, where the roots breathe with ease, ensures the journey begins on solid ground.
Symphony of irrigation and water management.
In this symphony of growth, a harmonious rhythm of moisture sustains the blueberry's dance of life. During the tender stages of establishment, judicious watering holds the baton, guiding root development. The elegant drip irrigation system gracefully bestows water upon the root's domain, minimizing waste and evoking a symphony of efficient hydration. Prudent water management becomes the maestro's duty, eschewing the pitfalls of overhead watering, which may invite unwelcome disease guests. The virtuoso art of monitoring soil moisture allows timely adjustments, ensuring a seamless performance of hydration. The nutritional sonata. The nutritional sonata unfolds as a key aspect of blueberry cultivation. As spring graces the landscape, a balanced, slow-release fertilizer emerges as the virtuoso, catering to the berry's nutritional appetites. A delicate balance of nitrogen harmonizes growth and fruitfulness, deterring an overwhelming focus on vegetative growth. The elegant dance of micronutrients, such as iron and manganese, takes the stage, ensuring the berry's well-being, particularly in alkaline soils where their presence wanes. The harmonious relationship between blueberries and nutrients orchestrates a symphony of health and vitality.
Pruning and training choreography.
Within the grand ballet of blueberry maintenance, pruning and training take center stage as virtuoso choreography. A delicate trimming of dead or diseased wood prompts new growth, stimulating the symphony of vitality. After the initial years of nurturing, a majestic rejuvenation pruning takes center stage, cultivating vigorous canes that resound with fruitfulness. The artful training of blueberry bushes into a graceful vase-shaped structure encourages symphonic sunlight penetration, ensuring a resplendent and opulent harvest. As we journey through this scientific expedition of blueberry cultivation, the symphony of agronomic knowledge intertwines with the marvels of nature. By heeding the art of variety selection, nurturing the right environment, perfecting planting techniques, conducting a symphony of irrigation and water management, embracing the nutritional sonata, and mastering the pruning and training choreography, we conjure a flourishing blueberry bonanza. With reverence for nature's melodies and the spirit of agronomic expertise, we cultivate an enchanting landscape where blueberries sing their sweet and soulful symphony. Embrace this harmonious journey, and witness the virtuosity of a thriving blueberry patch. Ready to embark on a captivating journey of knowledge and discovery? Don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Subscribe to our channel now and become a valued member of our community. Click that subscribe button and let's embark on this incredible journey together.